the oldest geocache in Europe, you get wonderful views of the castle as you walk along this lovely flat pathway, and then you just keep going into a nice glade, and then along the path till you find the location of the oldest.
The oldest geocache in Germany sits approximately 200 meters from Eltz Castle. Berg Eltz is a medieval castle nestled in the hills above the Moselle between Koblenz and Trier, Germany. It is still owned by a branch of the House of Eltz, who have lived there since the 12th century. The castle stands on a 70-meter-high rock spur that is bounded on three sides by the river Elsbach, a tributary of the Moselle. The main part of the castle consists of the family portions, up to 8 stories high. The 8 towers reach heights of between 30 and 40 meters.
I was taking pictures and some guy said, "Oh, I like your shirt."
Dun, da, da, da.
Got her.
Nice. February 11th, 2001. Oldest geocache in Germany. Medieval view. And what a view, eh?
It's beautiful trees.
Yeah. From here, you can't much see the castle. There's a, kind of a little spot right there, but the view along the pathway is quite spectacular.
You can hear the waterfall, though.
Yeah. There you go. Thanks for coming along with us for this medieval view. Get that tucked back away. And we'll do the earth cache on the way back. Walking back to the castle, we got the answers to the earth cache that are here, and then we're going to climb up the hill and get a photo from the overlook for a virtual geocache. On second thought, it was just too hot to go up the hill. We're going to take the bus, bypass the virtual. We got the most important one.